It's currently just after 9 o'clock Tuesday morning in Turkey. It's been more than 24 hours since the first of two major earthquakes rocked that region. Now, the rescue and recovery effort is well underway, but as you watch this, keep in mind they're dealing with near freezing temperatures. The sound of sirens filling the air in Turkey, now utterly devastated by Monday's pre-dawn 7.8 magnitude earthquake that officials say has killed more than 4,000 people and toppled almost 6,000 buildings. The deadly quake was centered in southeast Turkey near the Syrian border, with debris fields spread across the region beset by Syria's 12-year civil war and refugee crisis. The first earthquake followed by a 7.5 magnitude trembler about 60 miles away.
At 4:05 in the morning, my child woke me up as the whole house was shaking. As we ran into the street, I was shown a message saying my aunt's building collapsed.
Thousands of first responders now digging through the wreckage, hoping to find survivors. Many local hospitals are pleading for more aid.
The situation is too bad. We need urgent help.
We shouldn't just likely think that this can't be happening to us. They are using the same code.
Eye-opening perspective from seismologist Dr. Lucy Jones, one of the world's leading earthquake experts, who joined us tonight on the special report. Dr. Jones says Turkey uses the same building codes that we do locally. It's unclear if the buildings that buckled in Turkey were up to code, but Dr. Jones says it's a lesson for all of us to be prepared when the big one strikes.
Our buildings should not collapse, but we fully expect and accept that they will be a total financial loss, that they will be so badly damaged they can't be repaired.
Dr. Jones also points out, given the depth and magnitude of Turkey's earthquake, she estimates it shook for 1 to 2 minutes. That is a very long time, and another reason why the damage is so widespread and so devastating there.